Starting out with PENTA as an intern was a great experience. You know, you come in with not a lot of knowledge and a lot of expectations, and the company just kind of teaches you what they want you to know, and they mold you into the engineer they want you to be. And following my internship, starting on with PENTA, I just furthered that education and that experience, and it was a great experience. As a project engineer, you know, you're afforded the opportunity to sit in on all sorts of different meetings and really learn from the people above you that have been in the industry for a long period of time, and meet with the owners and the various design components, and really kind of, you know, starting out with a very, you know, small understanding, see bigger picture, and PENTA really gets you involved in meetings at the lower level to help you kind of grow into your, you know, higher positions as you pursue your career.
I've started as a project engineer, and then I went to an assistant project manager and then to a project manager. And now recently I've switched to the pre-con side of things, and have switched from an operations mindset to a pre-construction mindset, which has really benefited me coming from the operations side of things and understanding how pre-construction works now.
As an estimator, you know, one thing I try to do is continually compare, you know, rates based on historical project information, current rates, market fluctuations, meeting with subcontractors, talking to them about, you know, their material increases. You want to stay competitive, you want to stay up to speed with all your different numbers, and, you know, make sure that we're ahead of the market, or at least in line with the market, so we do get that competitive number.
So PENTA is extremely valuable to owners because we care about your project or their project, and we take an approach different than other general contractors, that we don't want just this one project. We want every project that they have. We're about relationships, and that's what PENTA stands for. We create and form, you know, years of relationships with everyone. PENTA has pushed me to be a better person by allowing me to succeed. They've given me the tools and opportunities to grow my career and to allow me to just shine in every aspect. They've never once said that I couldn't do something, and have always given me opportunities throughout my career.
PENTA never tells you which path you're going to take. It's definitely your opportunity to grow into the path you want to pursue, but at the same time change career paths halfway through if you decide you want experience in a different area. And I really think that's great in developing as just an overall construction professional.
You know, there isn't a day that I regret coming into the construction field, let alone coming to PENTA. Every day has been a unique challenge, and I will tell you that every bad day at PENTA is got to be better than the best day at a competitor. So,
one thing about PENTA that I think is just great and unique is not only the type of projects we work on, from casinos, you know, education, healthcare, but also just the culture within the company, the people, the organizations that we deal with outside of construction, from volunteering and, you know, giving back to the community. PENTA is such a dynamic company, and it's rewarding to work for a company like that that really cares.
What surprised me when I came to PENTA is that PENTA sold me on the idea that they were a family-oriented company. And after 12 years, it still stands true. And that really has made an impact, and that's what I'd sell to every person that was looking to come to a company, that PENTA stands behind what they sell.